and today I am discuss about the topic that is the types of chemical reaction. First of all, we discuss what is the chemical reaction. A chemical reaction may be regarded as the process that occurs when matter undergoes change in composition. That means in chemical reactions, whatever the matter or the reactant, they are changes when they undergoes the chemical reaction. The definition of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is the process which rearranges the constituent atoms. Sometimes in chemical reactions the atoms are rearranged or they substituted by each other and form the product. That's why the word rearrange is used here. The process which rearranges the constituent atoms of the reactants to create different substances as products. It means when in chemical reaction we use the different atoms, they rearranges or they reacted and form the product. Here I give the some important or main types of chemical reaction. There are various reactions in chemistry, but these are the basic and main types of chemical reactions. So first of all, we discuss about the synthesis reaction or combination reaction. In this reaction, the product is synthesized. That's why it is known as the synthesis reaction, or it is also known as the combination reaction, because in this reaction, the two atoms, here the first is the A atom and second is the B atom. The two atoms are combined and form the product. Here is the example for understanding. The two hydrogen atom and two oxygen atom are combined and they form the water molecule. So it is known as the synthesis reaction or combination reaction, because in this reaction we take the hydrogen atom and oxygen atom and synthesis of the water molecule. Second is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the opposite of the synthesis reaction, because in this reaction the AB is the compound, it is decomposed and formed two different atoms. Here is the example. The water molecule is decomposed and we get the two hydrogen atom and oxygen atom separately. That's why it is known as the decomposition reaction. Third is the substitution reaction or single replacement reaction. Substitution reaction. Why it is known as the substitution reaction? Here is the example when A is the atom and BC is the molecule, and here the product we get the AC plus B, means here the C is substituted and or A plus BC, then here is the B is the substituted. Here is the example when zinc and 2 hydrochloric acid reacted, then we get the ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride and H2. Here the zinc is the atom and chlorine is replaced, that is it is substituted. In single replacement reaction only one atom is replaced, that's why it is known as the single replacement reaction. Here is the another example, that is chlorine and 2 sodium bromide atom reacted, we get 2 NaCl and Br2, that is bromine. Fourth is the precipitation reaction, or it is also known as the double replacement reaction. Precipitation reaction, generally in precipitation reaction the two molecule or two elements are combined, they are always in liquid state, and the product which form by the after the reaction, that is always in solid state. And it is also known as the double replacement reaction, because in this reaction the two atoms are replaced. Here is the example. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride when reacted, then the double replacement occurs. Here the NO3 is replaced by Cl and the Cl is replaced by NO3. That's why it is known as the double replacement reaction. The product is silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Fifth is the neutralization reaction, or it is also known as the acid base reaction. Neutralization reaction, in this reaction acid and base is reacted to form the water, always form the water molecule and the salt. Here is the example. hydrochloric, it is the acid, and sodium hydroxide, it is the base, and when they are reacted they always form the water molecule and the salt, that is sodium chloride salt. That's why the neutralization reaction, it is also known as the acid base reaction. Sixth is the redox reaction, or it is also known as the reduction oxidation reaction, because redox reaction is the combination of reduction and oxidation. In reduction there is the always addition of hydrogen, and in oxidation there is the always there is the addition of oxygen. So here is the A, and addition of electron, that is in reduction always the electron is gained, and in oxidation the electron is lost by in oxidation process. And the redox reaction is the addition or the mixture of these two reactions, that is reduction and oxidation. In this reaction the reduction and oxidation process are done simultaneously. Here the chlorine, and it is added by 2 electron, then we get the 2Cl minus, that is here is the gain of electrons. And here is the sodium, that is Na plus. Na always have charge positive because it is a metal, and it is lost the electron. That's why it is the redox reaction and it is the oxidation reaction. And here is the redox reaction, which is the combination of reduction, oxidation and reduction. We get the product 2Na plus Cl2, we get the product sodium chloride, that is a salt.